Hey guys, welcome back. If you've been following my Typhon series, I really appreciate it. Stay tuned. We're going to put up some clips of the mud bogs. I had a lot of fun there. And then we're going to get right back into our next stage of improvements. Thank you for joining me. Appreciate it.
We got a battle. Ryan Sure comes in from behind.
Ryan Sure makes it look easy. That six-wheeler is going to get stuck.
Lane A. All right, on me. Driver's ready. Driver's set.
Good battle. Ken Warren moves on.
Damn, she took you down.
Tiffany with the win.
Good job.
Way to pick up the win there, Tiffany.
All right, next up,
Good job, Mr. Feather.
Dominic Schellenberger and Mark Spinelli.
It's going to be lane B.
Mark Spinelli.
Mark Spinelli with the win. Good run.
Feather for the win.
We are again. We've done a couple of modifications. So to start with, we've done really good on the stock pinion. We've gone up 2 teeth to 18 tooth. We are on 4S 100C 14.8 volts, showing you right there. Temperature is 84 degrees. Where's my temp card? So yeah, it's really cold from being inside the house. It's actually on Celsius. Okay, so anyways, let's just go ahead and take a look. We're gonna go ahead and see if we got any satellites just yet. All right, great. We're tracking 12 satellites. We're ready to go, guys. So we're gonna get some warm-up passes and see what we're gonna do with this new setup. Again, we're going up a little bit higher in pinion, and we have had to gone through a lot with this car, but let's just cut to the case. We've done some interesting modifications with the tires. I think these paddles are gonna hook up better than the dirt tires in the grass. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna come out here, and as you can see, I'm not in the prime conditions, but I think this is the prime conditions for what I'm trying to do with this car, which is mud racing with it, because it's performing so well, as you'll see on the Oval RC channel, where we've done the mud bogs. So anyways, I think I'm going to chop it up really good in here, because this represents about the material, soft, cushy material that I want these paddle tires to hook up on. Nothing too tight. That's all I do is run in the grass and in the dirt. So you guys are going to like this, I hope. All right, guys, with no further ado, let's get it going. 12 satellites. It did rain yesterday, so we can simulate the conditions that I want. So let's go drag 132 feet. Again, this is 4S. See what we do. I can find my damn pocket. volts. We're recovering. 4 volts. Coming back up. 24 miles an hour, 4.7 seconds. At this point, I can't remember if that's an improvement or not. But we definitely have a lot more forces that we're trying to get under here. And that was the first actual test, so we're just warming up. So let's just try that one more time. Up now, so let's just try that again. She's hooking up in this grass really well, no ballooning. Loving the setup. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 23 miles an hour, 5.1. I didn't get on enough. Let's try that again. Great in the mud, though, I know that. One pass left in there to see what top speed looks like. That was a good run, I think. Let's see. Yeah, that was good. 4.6, that's an improvement. That's what I want to see. 27 miles an hour, guys. Look at that. Nice, steady curve, acceleration curve on that last one. All right, there's no expo on the remote or anything like that. All right, so we're just cooling down. Oh, I did some other improvements too. I reversed the direction of the fan. As you can see, that's where the rating of the label is on there instead. And now it's actually expelling heat instead of pushing it down back in there. You can see these temperatures coming off of there, 102, 103. Over here we got that much on the motor. We're at 106 after all that running, so we're doing pretty good over here temperature wise. And servo is 92 degrees. Battery's cold, ready to go. All right, guys, let's do this. Let's do these. All right, guys, 6S. 6S pass. Oh, we never read our top speed we got before was 28 miles an hour on 4S in this muddy ass conditions, high grass conditions. Let's do it. We're gonna drag 132 feet. that? Whew. 134 degrees, 27 miles an hour, but I had to get off of it, as you can see there. I had to definitely get off of it. I want to see what my top speed is, so I'm going to do that real quick.
Performing well?
Huh? Oh yeah. Well, the thing is that the tires aren't spinning fast enough on the front to brake them. I don't even see them ballooning at all. And I've seen them like without the resistance. So that was 29 miles an hour, so that wasn't very fast.
Come on.
But I predict that's because this is very tall. This is the tallest I've ever ran in. Okay, but let's do the drag run. This is going to be great for doing the mud. We're already at 158 degrees on that. Like I told you, this is like just to perform. This is in the mud. This is a lot of resistance out there. I was 26 miles an hour, 5.86. Again, it's not hooking up all the way, but I predict that we're gonna get faster than 30 miles an hour on the mud. So even though we're not getting close, well, getting 26 miles an hour, but we're not putting everything down. And I'm looking at the torque curve. I'm gonna do another pass, but I'm looking at the torque curve, and the torque curve is a lot steeper than what I've seen before. So I'm really happy with that because we doubled up the amount of resistance we got. Let's try it again. Gone down to 140 degrees. All right, we're gonna do this again. 130 feet. I like how that looked. I wish I was doing top speed on that one. I was getting really good traction out there. Woo, 168 degrees. So 23 miles an hour. Yeah, you can see the curve goes up real steep. Let me show you guys. This curve goes up real steep and you see it come down because I'm in the air. That is putting some G's. I can definitely tell you that. Yeah, the acceleration is 0.67 G's. I'm going to be able to compare this to my other scores, see how many G's I'm pulling. That may be the ultimate identifier here that I may need to look at. Always looking for KPIs, key performance indicators, and that could be one of them. I may be too close to the camera. But I'm trying to establish the correct ones. I have a background in cybersecurity, and you're always looking for those things. Cool it down. Enough of that. Time to cool it down. Video real quick. All right, so I stopped as soon as I saw us peak at 200 to 200 Fahrenheit, so I wanted to come and check on my gun and see how accurate that was. And we're really at 137, 123, 137, so no fears there. And on the motor, okay, we definitely want to start bringing those temperatures down. I want to be sub, maybe that was a hot spot. Oh, no. Definitely want to be under 170. So magnets to stabilize at 170 degrees Fahrenheit. So, you know, try not to bring your motors above that. Take them out of their balance, out of their nature. We don't want that. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate life, appreciate beauty. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you guys for enjoying this. Have a good one. 97 degrees, you're hot. Okay, enough of that. Have a good one, guys. See you at the mud bogs. Thank you, Overlord. See you.